a washing machine? No, why you keep pushing me? Wait for someone. This time don't push any. Nope, Mango. Stop! Stop being mean. Be nice, buddy. Alright, who's pushing? I'm staying in a safe spot. Can you help me? Oh, yes. Go. I love washing machines. I love washing machines. I love washing machines. I like washing machines. I like washing myself and getting dirty again. I was just kidding. Washing machine. No, washing machine. Hey, I'll go for the line. I don't think so. Anyone's gonna help me. Oh wait, I guess someone will. Oh, I'm going to my favorite. Ah, I wonder where he's going. I'm sorry because of my intro, because I just have to go into the water. Oh, good stuff. I'm gonna just end the video, guys. Bye bye.